of a causality, and the causality is something synthetic and like a robot, which I think that is. The mRNA spike is only an effect or an element of this nanocircuit and nanotech, because it's not possible that spike protein is everywhere in the body after an injection. So it is the transporter oxide graphene, who is like a flying carpet. I've made a report on that flying carpet, and it's you can put a genome, you can put a parasite, you can put a bacteria, and you can code it, and it mimics the code of a molecule, because we have the codes of molecules with Dr. Benveniste in France, and Professor Montagnier tried to steal all his findings, and then he got killed. You know, so we know that biocoding exists since 50 years, but it's become very sophisticated now, and they can send this biocode to the oxide graphene. It's a terahertz. It can stock, you probably know that, it can load the data up to terahertz, and it can send it. And so it is like a computer. Bill Gates is perfectly suited, you know, with his engineers to develop this with DARPA. So we know this, that this can take control of the mind and of the body. And I invite everybody who has not seen this fantastic video of Dr. Charles Morgan of DARPA, and he's teaching on YouTube the military how oxide graphene can take command of someone on the other side of Earth through Wi-Fi, and it's called Psychoneurobiology and War. You've seen it?
MWI speaker event for a few that could make it. Today we have Dr. Charles Morgan coming to talk to us about neuroscience and psychology and a whole gamut of things. Right now he is a professor of national security studies at the University of New Haven. His focus is teaching national security studies, domestic and international intelligence analysis, and issues in dissemination. Dr. Morgan is developing a concentration in the human aspects, intelligence analysis, and psychological operations arenas that are relevant to the intelligence community. He has a pretty robust background with military folks, doing research at SEER School, helping with selection processes for Special Operational Forces down at Fort Bragg, et cetera, et cetera. So, without further ado, I will hand it off.
So, what I would like to talk to you a little bit about today is something I was asked to do in 2010 and 2011. I was getting ready to leave over at the CIA, where I'd worked for a number of years, and the Intelligence Science Board said, could you give us a brief on what's in store for us in the future?